taking over the spotlight. I'm on a roll, ready for the show now. It's go time. I see you looking. I see you looking. Nah, nah, nah. I see you looking. I see you looking. Watch what I do. Watch what I do. I see you looking. Watch what I do. Watch what I do. I see you looking. Watch what I do.
In the world we live in now, everybody's hustle and bustle, and they go in and out. They want to come in, get their drink, get their acai bowl, and go. And this blender does the job.
When there's a line out the door and we're jam-packed, we now have a machine that's going to blend our smoothie in 8 seconds rather than over a minute. This is definitely the solution that we've all been waiting for.
I would recommend this blender to any smoothie shop, and it's about time something like this finally came.
I see